Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Dario here with another Options and Play video update. I hope everybody had a nice long weekend. It has been a busy start to the week, and just seems like we're really shaping up for another busy couple days here. Like Russia-Ukraine headlines, inflation headlines, Fed headlines, and then earnings too. So a lot going on, a lot of movement on the indices, and just kind of an interesting afternoon of trading. And I just wanted to like walk through something I was talking about on the VTF, and it's what I call like the higher high, higher low reversal setup. So you can see that. Let me scroll out. So this is the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute chart of the Qs intraday, right? So you can see like basically since we reversed. So since we reversed at about 10:30 this morning, the Qs were just kind of steadily walking lower, right? So when I'm looking for a reversal, so if you're sitting around waiting for a bullish reversal, um, what I like to see is what's called this higher low setup, right? And in this case, we didn't really have many decent bounce opportunities, right? So there weren't even really any like head fakes because we really didn't even bounce. I'd say like the really true first bounce opportunity or bounce setup, which would look like it maybe start to get something going, was right here, right? And what I like to see is like this higher high, higher low, right? So you get the first bounce. Now, for this bounce to have any substance, to have any real power, you want to see a higher low, meaning you would not want to see the Qs break back below what the low was from this move. And obviously, in this case, that happened, right? It had a decent little bounce, and then it gave it all back right away. And then after that, had tried to get a little something going, very marginal bounce, and then immediately put in a lower low, right? So there's really not even any setup worth looking at because it had never really been able to hold a higher low. Now, different story here, right? So you get the first decent bounce, right? Look at this move compared to this move. Not too dissimilar, right? You get the bounce, you get a little bit of reversal, the bounce, right? And then what happens? You get the low, you get the pullback, higher low, right? Comes up, higher high, and then this is when you get the extension. So when it puts in the higher high, which is right here, you get the move, right? You get the pullback, higher low. It didn't violate this last low, higher high. What happens? Huge extension, right? So this is like the type of setup where, for me, like even it's like the same idea on like a short, right? It's like if something was up a lot and I was looking for a bearish reversal, lower high, lower low. If something's down a lot, I'm looking for a bullish reversal, higher high, higher low. And like these are just fast intraday setups, right? Like these are things that I'd look at. Like this is a 1 minute chart, but like 2 minutes, 5 minutes. These are like fast intraday moves where like this is like kind of like those hit and run setups, right? Like more like scalp mindset, day trade setup. For swing trades, yes, I guess you could apply this to like daily charts, but for me, like these are all about speed. So when I'm looking for like like a speed or like a faster intraday move, this higher high, higher low setup or pattern is really one of like my focuses, and that's why like I always talk about it and I try to emphasize it because I feel like it's a pretty good indicator when you start to see like that playing out. Like this was like a great example of that playing out in a big way. Not all of them worked like that, but you do occasionally see moves like that when something's down a lot, and especially down a lot in a couple days in a row. Then when you finally do get a reversal, it can be pretty significant. So something to keep in mind if you're ever kind of looking for like a counter trend move and a reversal after like a long drop or a long rally, is that higher high, higher low type reversal setup. All right. So again, thinking it's gonna be a busy week, so I'm hoping for some good trading. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about swing trading with options, please follow up with the link in the description of the video for more information on options and play. Have a great night, stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.